Hi everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Neewer 14-inch dimmable ring light. I paid about £70 for this on Amazon. I just received my ring light and it's way bigger than I was expecting. Inside the Amazon box we have another box. I can't help but feel like they could have just posted it out in this. This is what you get inside. So inside we obviously have the tripod, the attachment for the phone or camera, instructions, the plug adapter, spare batteries and a battery charger, the light itself and a remote. The actual light is pretty lightweight. Sadly I don't have anyone to help me film this part, but this tripod just works like any other tripod. You adjust these parts to make it shorter and taller, and then you can adjust this part to make sure that the legs don't fold. The holder easily screws onto the tripod, and this is where I'm going to be putting my phone. As you can see, this opens and closes and it can swivel round so that you can take your videos horizontal or vertical. This part is also detachable so that you can put your camera on here. Before I attach this, I wanted to show you the back of the light. Obviously this is where the batteries are going to go if I ever need them. I can plug it in with the adapter cable. I have the on-off switch, and then this is how you adjust the colour of the light. The remote comes with a battery. At first I thought this was to adjust the lights, but it's obviously to press record or take a photo. I've never owned a ring light before and I managed to assemble this pretty easily, so you shouldn't have any trouble whatsoever. I've switched to the front facing camera on my phone. Please excuse the mess of me, but I'm just home from work and it's 10 o'clock at night and I can't be bothered getting changed. This particular light has quite a few settings, so I'm not going to go through them all, but I will show you up here what setting I'm on, and I'll show you my face from a few different angles, and you can let me know in the comments section what light you think is the best and what you think is the worst. At the moment the light is off. This is what I look like from the front and the side. Here we go. It's actually blinding me. I don't know how anybody can sit in front of one of these on maximum. I feel blind, and then when I close my eyes I can just see circles all over the place. I think it's safe to say I'm never going to have this on maximum. As I mentioned before, I've never owned a ring light, so I'm not really sure why you would need the different colours of lights and when the best time is to use them. So I'm going to read through the instructions and learn a bit more about it. I'm planning on using this ring light for a few days before I give my final review, but luckily for you, that's only a few seconds away. I just wanted to show you what this looks like from the front. So half of the LEDs are the yellow ones and half are the white. So I'm just going to put this up to maximum to show you how bright this is. But that probably doesn't look that bright on the screen, but trust me, it's totally blinding. It turns out that the instructions don't give you any information about light balance. So I watched a few YouTube videos, which honestly didn't help, so I'm still totally clueless. This is the first video that I recorded using the ring light. As you can see, it's quite shadowy around the edges and really bright in the middle. This was the second video I recorded. Still pretty shadowy around the edges, but not as bright in the middle, so it is a slight improvement. I just need to keep trying until I find the perfect balance. When it comes to Instagram photos, here are two examples of photos that I posted before and after owning my ring light. Here's another example. When I'm taking photos of nail polish, I put the settings to maximum white, and I think it looks really good. Here are some examples of eyeshadow photos. I know I'm not a makeup artist, but this is just to give you an idea of how the colours show up in different lights. The only problem that I've really got with this light is that I was planning on using it to take pictures of swatches for Instagram, and in order to do that I need the ring light to tilt. In order to tilt the light you need this extra piece of equipment. For some reason I thought this was included in the kit, however I'll just need to buy it over the next few weeks. Let me know in the comments section what you think of this light, and if you have any tips on light balance, please let me know in the comments section. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. If you'd like to see future videos, hit the notification bell and you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. If you're interested in seeing more unboxing and review videos, or if you would like to contribute to the channel, I'll leave the links in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Bye!